All right, jumping in, we're going to use this pot to make a candle holder. So the first thing we're going to do is just going to take some red, and this is a berry wine, so it's a really dark red. And we're just going to paint everything. You don't have to necessarily paint this top because this is where we're going to put the glue on it. So that you can leave if you don't want to paint that. Okay. I absolutely love this dark red color. It's so pretty. So I went ahead and I didn't paint in here because this is basically going on here. And I wanted to get a little more kind of exposure for the terracotta to match up with the terracotta. So there's that. Before we put them together, real quick, I want to go ahead and I want to do, I've got some jute. This is some cord that I got from Walmart. And we're just going to take our tacky glue and we are going to just wrap the bottom of this. And I'm using my tacky glue on this because, I mean, usually I like using tacky glue anyways, but I really feel like the terracotta and hot glue is just really not going to be a good combo because I don't think the hot glue is going to really want to bond very well with the terracotta smoothness. And I think that the tacky glue will kind of get absorbed a little bit. So we're just going to take our end, and I'm actually, and I went and did that. Just going to go ahead and start this, but I want to go ahead and put it on the tabletop here so I could push down to get it all the way to the bottom. If that makes sense here. This is a silicone mat that I'm putting this on, but I wanted to get it tight together. So I'm just wrapping it and just kind of pushing it down so that there's not really any gaps. Pushing it down means we're getting less gaps here. So there's that. Now, while we also have our glue out, let's just go ahead. We'll put some glue here. And then we'll just place our top. So basically, instead of placing it like this, we're placing it like so. Right. I mean, and that's really cute like that, honestly. If like you wanted to put like a really tall candle with some rocks in it, like that would be really cute. So you guys kind of finishing touches on this. I want to go ahead and take, I've got these little rusty stars, and these are from Temu, actually. Got these actually last year. And I have a few of them left. I need to order some more, but I was thinking about just going on, probably going on Amazon and finding some. Right, so that is super cute like that. And then the last thing, oh, well, second to last thing, we're just going to take some ribbon, and this is just the black and white check ribbon, and we're just going to go wrap it around the front. And I am not going to glue this on because potentially, you know, you can change out your ribbon, and so I don't want to glue this. Just want to make a simple little bow. So that is really cute. But wait, there's more. I want to go ahead. We are going to use this candle. This is just from Dollar Tree. I like these candles. You can't see in the lighting, but when you turn them on, it not only does it light up here, but it does light up a little on the inside too, and I kind of like the glow on that. We're going to go ahead and use some greenery. This is a mini leaf wired ribbon garland. It's from Hobby Lobby. You get a bunch of it. It's 15 feet of this. So, so it's well worth getting it. This is probably like the second or third round I probably used on this because I like using it. So we're basically just going to stick it in here, get a gist how much I'm going to need. Probably about that. And you can just cut it like wire. It's just, use your wire cutters. So now I'm just going to take it. Let's see how much I want to go around. Like that. This makes for great little wreaths too. And voila, now we are finished. If you want to, you could paint your candle as well. Super cute. I love how this turned out. Keep on coming back and seeing more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Happy crafting.